Now we can take everything we've learned from our major key signatures, starting with C major and going to scale degree 5 to find our sharp major key signatures, and C major going to scale degree 4 to find all of our flat major key signatures. We can repeat the entire process going all the way to the circle of fifths with our minor key signatures. And just as C major has no sharps or flats, A minor has no sharps or flats. And let's repeat the entire process to find all of our minor key signatures. Let's use A minor, and again, we're going for sharp major key signatures, so that goes to scale degree 5. And in scale degree 5 is E, and we write out our E minor scale. There is our E natural minor scale. And notice again, it's an F sharp, which we saw as the order of sharps in our major key signatures. So you can again predict that scale degree 5 is B. So B, C sharp, D, E, F sharp, G, A, and B. There's our B minor scale, and it has 2 sharps. So our next scale would be scale degree 5, and it would have 3 sharps, and that is F sharp minor. So again, the pattern has repeated itself. And now let's start with A minor and go all the way to A sharp minor using that scale degree 5. So we have A minor, and number of sharps is 0. Scale degree 5 is E, and that has 1 sharp. Scale degree 5 is B, and that has 2. 3 is F sharp. Scale degree 5, C sharp. Scale degree 5, G sharp. Scale degree 5, D sharp. And scale degree 5 is A sharp. And there we have 7 sharps. And again, the order of sharps. Let's use a bass clef this time. Will be the same for both our major key signatures and our minor key signatures. And it will be F, C, G, D, A, E, B. And you must write it like that. That's actually a requirement. Your sharp key signatures need to look like that. So there is order of sharps and our sharp major key signatures from A to A sharp minor.